Hello everyone, I'm Glaciers Bachelor of Elementary Education 1, Block 1. And now I'm going to discuss the ecosystem and its importance.
First, what is ecosystem? An ecosystem is a community made up of living organisms and non-living organisms, such as air, water, and mineral soil. Ecosystem can be studied in two different ways. Animals also play an important role in the movement of matter and energy through ecosystem. These are the examples of living and non-living organisms. What is importance of ecosystem? Ecosystem provides habitat to wild plants and animals. It promotes various of food chains and food webs. It controls essential ecological processes and promotes lives. Involved in the recycling of nutrients between biotic and abiotic components. Maintain the flow of energy with the help of the carbon cycle, water cycle, nitrogen cycle, and oxygen cycle. This is the example of food chain and food web. All non-living components of an ecosystem including air, water, light, soil, rocks, minerals, and nutrients are examples of abiotic components. And all living components of an ecosystem including producers, consumers, and decomposers are examples of biotic components. The concept of ecosystem is possible at several scales of magnitude, from multicellular organisms such as insects, animals, or plants to lakes, mountain ranges, or forests to the planet Earth as a whole. Ecosystems are communities of organisms and non-living matter that interact together. Each part of the ecosystem is important because ecosystems are interdependent. Damaged or imbalanced ecosystem can cause many problems. Ecological imbalance is when a natural or human-caused disturbance disrupts the natural balance of an ecosystem. The balance of an ecosystem can be disrupted by natural or human-caused disturbances. If a species disappears or a new species is introduced, it can shift an ecosystem to a state of the ecological imbalance. The problems when ecosystem is damaged. The impacts of ecosystem destruction are the following: increasing flooding due to the erosion of the soil and lack of trees. Rising of the sea levels due to the melting of the glaciers, caused by global warming. Disruption of the food chain when the apex predator became extinct. What happens if a part of ecosystem is damaged or destroyed? When one part of ecosystem is damaged or destroyed, then it directly affects the remaining parts and results in the collapsing of the ecosystem. It is because all of the organisms are depending on each other, forming a food chain. Ecosystem enables different types of life to exist on Earth. It keeps the population of different species maintained within limits. It is the basis of transfer of energy from one trophic level to the other trophic level of the food chain. Important measures needed to prevent ecological imbalance. Recycle to prevent the exploitation of natural resources. Conserve energy by choosing more energy-efficient appliances and automobiles. Plant more trees and stop deforestation. This will help in reducing the pressure on our ecosystem. How can we maintain balance of nature? The balance of nature needs to be maintained to acquire a stable equilibrium for the harmonious survival of plants, animals, and other living beings together in this planet. This can be achieved by maintaining the proper positive as well as negative feedback system existing in nature. That's all. Thank you and God bless us all.